Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today we're going to do something different. This project going to include a board and a picture. And we're going to transfer this picture onto this board here. If you want to know how to do it, just keep watching and I'll be right back and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so we are ready to glue. And this is the glue that I'm going to use today. Make sure you get around the edges. We're going to put quite a bit of glue on here. When I used to travel, he loved taking pictures of all type of birds. And I always told him that I'm going to put all his birds on a poster. So I decided to do this. And we're going to see how it turns out. Now, when you get ready to put this down, make sure you got exactly where you need for it to be, because if not, you can't move it once you get it down. So just make sure you in the center of your board. I think I'm center right there. Pretty much so. I can't move it now. And then I got this little roller. Make sure you have some type of roller that you can roll, or you can use like a card, like a credit card, or old credit card that you don't use anymore. You can use it. Got it all on there, and we are ready for it to just sit and let it dry. Okay, I'll be back. And our picture have dried on our board. So now what I'm gonna do, I already got a wet towel here. I'm gonna lay this towel over it. Just kind of wring your towel out and then bring it back and then just lay it over your picture here. It's pretty wet. Okay. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna kind of catch the end of your towel, kind of put it in your finger like so, and then you're gonna kind of just do like a circle motion, and we're gonna get this. What we're trying to do is get this top layer off this paper here. See how it's coming off there. And it's very time consuming. So you have to do this like when you don't have anything else to do. What I'm doing now is kind of wetting it a little bit more, so that paper can be more looser. And still just keep rubbing, don't rub hard, just keep it rubbing and keep changing your towel around. Okay, I'm gonna stop a little bit. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, then I'll be back. Okay, so I have gotten all the paper. I'm just getting all the excess paper off of it. Because you don't want to leave any of that on. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to varnish around the edges with some stain. But instead of using the real stain, I got some Old English, it's for furnish, it's just a furnish polish. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of that. Okay, so we're going to shake this up real good here. If you do have some stain at home, that'll be good too. I have some stain, but I'm just going to try to use this and see how that turn out. And I'm just using a piece of paper towel. And I'm going around the edges. So I'm gonna let this dry just a tab, and then I'm gonna be back, and then we're gonna use our top coat on it. Okay, so I've let this dry. So what I'm using now is this Mod Podge. And I found out, I have tried this twice, and I think the best one to use, the one with the dishwasher safe. It's a little more expensive than just the Mod Podge, but I think it did a whole lot better, the gluing down and everything, still using just the plain old Mod Podge. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull just a little bit, and it don't take much of this because it's real thick. I think I'm gonna start using this probably for most of my projects because I think it turns out much better. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. And this right here is just gonna give it a little shine. That is so much better. Okay. And then I'm just gonna go around where I stain this at. Okay, so this is the final product that we did. See how pretty that look? I think we did a great job. Just like I say, try this at home. Thank y'all for watching. And we'll see y'all the next time on the next video. Y'all be blessed and please be safe. Okay, bye-bye.